All right, I'm gonna try some of this PBI. About a 15-cent stop, under 10. Yeah, I'm not getting filled. Trying the PBI under 10. Stop over 22. Kind of opened up late there, over 22. And it's gone. So PBI, I could not get there. Didn't fill me. I think I'm gonna try some of this SIOX as a breakdown. It's a penny stock. Let's see, would have to be under 98 cents. And then stop over $1. So about a 2-cent stop. Yeah, I think it's hard to borrow there. Okay, you know what? It is filling me now. Yeah, it's usually pretty thin. It's just, yeah, it's done about half a mil. So I don't think I could go too crazy with the size here. I was able to get 20,000 shares, so 21 now. But the spread over a penny. It's very illiquid. Oh, there goes the SIOX. So, I mean, this on the daily is into a void. It's got room to fall. It's just the spread is the issue here. So it shows I'm up $643, but it's actually not if I were to get out right now. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. What was that? 4-cent spread now. Got down to 88 cents. That would have been a really nice play. You see that drop? I think it was up over $2,000 there. Alright, so I'm gonna start trailing some here. Okay, 93. I'm gonna take some here. I'm gonna take another third over 944. Yeah, see, it's tough to manage on these spready ones. I need to keep an eye on this. 7-cent spread now. My goodness. I'm trying to keep an eye on it because it does flash down there, but it pops right back up, so it doesn't give you the time to get out or trail. That's the problem. Stop is over 94 now. And here's 94. It's about to take it out, probably. Alright, there it goes. So out of the SIOX, unfortunately, man, still made $870 or so. Should have been almost more, like 3 times that, I think. But yeah, nice play, nice play. All right, so just finished trading the open. Didn't do a whole lot, just did the SIOX as you guys saw. But before we get into all that, first I want to say thank you for the support and just the positive energy you guys have been showing on this channel so far. I really appreciate it. I've put out about 10 videos out now, and it seems like a lot of you want to see more of the day in the life vlog style content. So I need your help. I need you to comment down below and tell me what you want to see more of. And I think with the vlogs, yes, it's still going to be around day trading, but also I think I'm going to show you guys, you know, our clothing business as well, and also the real estate we're getting into. So it's going to be kind of behind the scenes on everything we do and not just day trading. So please let me know in the comments below. As for today's schedule, I've got a couple of meetings lined up, and I am taking Tyson out later. We kind of have a father and son date once a week, and today's that day. So it's going to be quite a busy day. Just I don't think it's going to be a busy trading day. And I actually do have our first meeting with our CPA in a little bit. So let's go knock that out. The office is actually detached from the house.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Yeah, that's a
So-
really, really good support.
Yeah.
That maybe you have a picture of it. Just
Yes.
as a for support. Make sure that, you know, the square footage was actually, you know, measured and all that stuff. So that's really
I'll try
good.
to get
Yeah.
back to you by end of this week.
Okay, sounds good, Angie.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, you
All
too.
right.
Comment, just email me.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, all done with my meetings, and it is lunch break now. And usually at this time, I'm training in the gym in my backyard, but today's a rest day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a quick break and get something in my stomach. You guys know about my green shake. Got a couple of hard-boiled eggs And then I'm gonna knock back one of these immunity shots. It's like ginger and turmeric or something. And I'm gonna do that while watching a little bit of Peacemaker. I'm on episode 2 right now, so just gonna relax a little bit and then get back at it.
Yep, good. What the hell? The report said an explosion.
Okay, so my DSLR actually overheated this morning, probably because I had it running for like hours. So I tried out an old webcam I had to try to avoid that issue, and the audio didn't record properly. But as for the afternoon, I just pretty much did the SPPI here, which is another penny stock. I don't know why I'm trading so many penny stocks these days, but hey, it's making some money. All right, so market is now closed. As for today's total, we have on this account 1950 or so, and then the E-Trade account, which I try not to use as much anymore, just up $74 there. So I think I could have made a lot more if I got filled on that PBI at the open, but up pretty nice given that I feel like I didn't do much today. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get Tyson ready, and then we are gonna head out for a father and son date. I'm going to take him to Universal Studios Hollywood. He's been loving that place ever since we took him, so we've been going pretty often. So yeah, we're gonna head out there right now. Tyson, Universal? You ready? Yeah, let's go. Tyson, what color do you want to ride? Which one, red? You want red? Yes? Okay, we're going on the red one. Alright, Tyson said he was hungry, so we're gonna have a quick snack. More? Okay. Thank you. Chang, cheers. Go. Tyson, look, it's Jarvis.
So put your arms straight out again. Okay, is that better? No distractions. Fantastic! Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You can stay right there. We're gonna get it back to you. It's a little bit easier. So go ahead and put both arms out. Very good. Now you flap really hard. Slide down here and get it. No? Okay. Just the one arm out again. Palm up flat this time. Stay still. He's gonna return that. Excellent job. Nice flight. Oh, I have an idea though before you leave.
This is why I love day trading on the West Coast. You know, everybody tells me, doesn't it suck waking up at 4 a.m. every day? Nope. This is what I prefer. I'd rather get off, finish the day at 1, and have the rest of the day to do whatever. Whether it's, you know, doing something productive or kicking it with Tyson. I mean, look at this place. It's dead. Avoiding crowds. But day's not finished yet. I got one more meeting to go to. So, actually, let's get some donuts before I head out. One thing you can avoid though is LA traffic. So this was our original living room,
Right.
and then now we're expanding that out, and then the dining room is becoming, or the living room is becoming the dining room.
Right next to the kitchen island.
Nice.
So it has a really smooth flow of the space. Living room, it's actually, we were able to increase the size of the living room. So that's gonna feel much more spacious. And from the living room to dining room, existing wall, we could put a structural beam here, and we could open this up. And that way you could, just have one big space instead of having two spaces divided. This is how you actually will see your house.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna be 2-story. We're gonna build the master above the new garage. And you enter to the side.
All right, so what we're doing right now is this is the existing home, okay? So the highlighted area is what's there right now. It's currently a 2-1, and then it also has a back house, which is the 1-1, my office. And what I'm gonna do is we're going to extend this out and build off of the existing home. So we're gonna make the living room, a garage, foyer, and then make it a 2-story and put the master bed on top of the 2-car garage. And yeah, we're gonna turn this into a rental property. And we're gonna try to keep the back house also. If they don't let us keep the back house, then I think we're going to turn this into a swimming pool, which will be also pretty nice. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna submit the plans. We're finished with the planning phase, and once we get everything approved, then we can go into construction. All right, so just got back home, and the day is finished. Oh, and we're just gonna have some dinner now. Janet made shabu shabu. If you don't know what shabu shabu is, it's one of my go-to meals. It's clean, it's easy, it's yummy, it's healthy, and really yummy. So we're just gonna eat that and then probably wind down with the family. Yeah, and then call it a night. And tomorrow starts all over at 4 a.m. Then I'll keep you guys updated on the home renovations, of course. We're actually starting on a second home, which I think will be even a bigger project. So yeah, that should be fun. And then maybe on the next one, I'll tag you guys along and show you the apparel factory that we run. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this one. As always, I appreciate you for being here, and I hope to see you on the next one.